Unlocking everyday English. Understanding, say yes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we help make English easy and fun for you. Today, we have a special topic that you hear in everyday conversations, movies, and TV shows. The phrase, say yes. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to help you understand it better. So, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Say yes is a phrase that combines two words, say, which is a verb meaning to express in words, and yes, which is an adverb that expresses agreement or affirmation. When put together, say yes means to agree to something or give your approval. It's commonly used when someone offers you a choice or asks for your permission. Example 1. Person A, do you want to go to the movies tonight? Person B, yes, I'd love to. I say yes to that. In this example, Person B is expressing their willingness and enthusiasm to go to the movies, showing clear agreement to the proposal. The meaning of say yes can vary depending on the context. It's not just used for casual invitations. It can also be applied in more serious or formal situations. Example 2. Boss, would you be able to take on this new project? Employee, I've reviewed the details, and I'm ready for the challenge. I say yes. Here, say yes is used in a professional context, where the employee is agreeing to take on a new responsibility. You'll find say yes being used in various situations, ranging from casual to formal settings. It's commonly used in social invitations, proposals, both romantic and business, offering assistance or favors, making decisions. Understanding the context is key to using say yes appropriately. That's it for today's lesson on understanding the phrase, say yes. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and how you can use it in different situations. Remember, English is all about practice and exposure, so don't be afraid to use say yes in your conversations. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more great content. See you in the next video, and keep practicing your English.